Welcome to IndianShareTips.com, and today we are going to tell you key statements which needs to be monitored from a particular country if you really wants to make money in the commodity market, especially in the metal space, which includes copper, zinc, nickel, aluminium, lead, etc. So the country whose statements you need to monitor is China, and we will be giving you an example that how their statements have caused havoc or led to an uptrend in the market. Just remember that China is the biggest metal consumer on the earth, and that is why it matters a lot in commodity market. We will take an example of base metals and a statement from China on 10th May that they want to cool iron ore, steel price, and because of which they would be raising trading limits and margins for June 21, September 21, October 21, December 21, January 22, February 22, March 22 and April 22 deliveries, and this statement led to a havoc in metals. The metals had a sudden fall. So just remember that if you are following the metals, statements from China cannot be ignored. Now we come to the next, aluminium. The statement from China on 27th May that they are going to be implementing green policies and demand for aluminium is going to increase because of their requirement for lighter cars. It has led to aluminium shooting up, and we do not have any doubt the way it has shot up that it will soon touch 200 mark /205. As of now, China has capped aluminium capacity at 45 metric ton. So there is a demand and supply mismatch going to take place, which has led to aluminium price increasing as on 27th May 2021. Similarly, for crude also you can keep the statements and how much consumption of the crude is going to take place in China generally will give you an idea what will be the likely trend in crude sector also. So if you are trading in metals, keep an eye on Chinese statements with respect to it, and you will never go wrong, and you can trade in that trend to get benefited. If you like our video, we will request you to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, as well as give a thumbs up, which will boost our morale so that we keep producing good quality videos which can give you an insight into the market and helps you make more money trading. Thank you.